To maths in a minute or two. This lesson is about Bidmas, or order of operations. So first of all, let's take a look at what Bidmas means. B stands for brackets, I stands for indices, that's things like squared, cubed or even square root, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Now the D and the M, the division and the multiplication, are actually of equal strength, and the A and the S, the addition and the subtraction, are also of equal strength. What this means is the order in which you do an operation. So if there is a bracket, we would do the bracket first. If there is an index or an indice or any indices, we would do them first. Then if there are divisions and multiplications, we just do them from left to right because they are equal strength, if you like. And the same with the addition and the subtraction, they are equal strength, so therefore if you have an addition and a subtraction in any order, you go from left to right. So let's take a couple of examples. So the first one here, we've got 20 subtract 3 times 4. We can see that we have two operations. We've got a subtraction and a multiplication. So looking at our Bidmas, we know that the multiplication comes before the subtraction, so we must do the multiplication first. So rather than doing 20 take 3, we do 3 times 4, which is 12, and therefore we then go from left to right. Now we can do the subtraction. 20 subtract 12 is 8, so the answer is 8. Let's look at the second one. This time we've got 3 operations. We've got a divide, an add and a multiply. So the divide and the multiply are equal strength, but we do them in order from left to right, but the addition must come last. So 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. We're now going to skip over to the multiplication. 3 times 2 will give us 6, and then finally we can do the add from left to right. So 3 add 6 is 9. Let's take a look at the last one. So we have here an add, a multiply, and we have an index here. We have a squared sign. So of all these three things, the thing that comes first in Bidmas is the index. So we must do 6 squared first, which gives us 36. Now out of the next two, the multiplication must come next. So we're going to do the 3 times the 36 next. And 3 times 36 is 108. So now we can finally do the add from left to right. 5 add 108 is 113.